In this Slate Bite, we'll be talking about using an import to create planned gifts on a record, as well as linking those planned gifts to an existing opportunity. To get started, let's take a look at our import. When setting up your file, it's recommended to have one row per planned gift. In your file, you want to include the information required to identify which record should receive the planned gift. In this case, we're using the Slate reference ID to identify that record. Next, you want to make sure you include the 4 required fields to create a planned gift: the planned fund, the planned amount, the planned status, and the planned type. For mapping your planned gifts, you want to use the giving planned gift destination, and in the sub-destination, you want to go to the corresponding fund, amount, status, and type. If you have a unique ID for your planned gift in your legacy system, you'll want to bring that over as well. To store that legacy ID, you want to map that to the planned gift external ID destination. If you want to link the planned gift to an existing opportunity on the record, you have 2 options: the opportunity external ID and the opportunity identity. On this import, we map to the opportunity external ID. The opportunity external ID is typically going to be a unique ID imported from your legacy system when you created the opportunities on the record. The opportunity identity is going to be a unique value created by Slate in the database. When you're done with your field mappings, move over to your prompt value mappings. Refresh the values and map your destinations. With our fields mapped and our import process, let's take a look at our work. As you can see here, on the record, we have a new planned gift linked to the library campaign opportunity. And that's importing a planned gift. I hope you found this video helpful, and smash that like button. Thank you.